All right, this is your last piece of work for today. If you've made it to this point, then you are doing pretty well. If you have not done this portion, you need to do it tonight for homework in preparation for your SBA tomorrow. So I'm going to start by slicing in half right here where you see my handwritten words. The left-hand portion is what we're going to use for your notebook. So you're going to want to fold on the solid line here, and you will actually end up gluing this side right here. So I'm going to just write over these directions. Broke my colored pencil. Glue, because this is where I'm going to put my glue in just a little bit. Okay, well, before I do that, I need to unfold, and I'm going to go through and slice on my dotted lines here. So I'm going to cut just on the dots to the solid line to make this a foldable. There we go. All right, so we're gonna need our notebook for this portion. So I'm gonna turn in my notebook to page 72, which should be my next blank page right here. Let's see if I can get more of a picture in here. All right, and you'll need your glue, obviously. So I'm gonna take my foldable, and that part where we just wrote glue, the back piece, I'm gonna put a decent amount of glue. That might have been aggressive, sorry. Whoop. And I'm gonna glue it down like this. Okay, remember this is page 72. We're gonna number that because we have a notebook check coming up. All right, you still need your glue, but you can set it to the side. I'm gonna pause my video for just a second and I'm gonna cut out all of these pieces. All right, I made the decision to cut my words and leave my tool pictures together just so I don't lose any pieces. So you should have 8 phrases. You were gonna read each of them and then place it where it belongs. So we'll do one together. This one says, a tool that measures air temperature using a glass tube filled with alcohol or mercury. I know that that is a thermometer, so I'm gonna lift up the thermometer flap, pull my glue stick back out, put just a little bit of glue on the back of it. I'm gonna stick it down underneath the word thermometer, knowing that it'll close all the way. And then I'm gonna pull my pictures and I'm gonna find the one that has the thermometer on it, and I'm gonna cut it out, and I'm gonna glue it, boop. Oh, if I can get it off my glue stick, to the side. And you wanna make sure it's right side up. You can see a really tiny little C and F for Celsius and Fahrenheit. So it is correctly glued there. Then you'll find your next piece and glue it where it belongs. I would do that one at a time, putting your picture out to the side. I'm gonna check this when I check for your notebook on Thursday. Don't forget you have an SBA on Thursday over weather tools. So I would take your notebooks home and study, and you also have a notebook check on Thursday. Remember that there is a notebook check sheet, the yellow sheet that you were given in class, that shows you the things that I'm going to be looking for. I believe it goes through 68, but you now have work through 72, so I'll be looking for those as well. And then you have a video of my notebook on Canvas from last Friday. So you can pull that up and look through if you're not sure what goes on which page. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to get all your work finished, and I will see you tomorrow.